Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. It's kind of makeup tutorial I haven't done before, I think, and it's going to be specifically on fair skin, and I'm myself a very fair woman. As you can see, I think even some days I'm even more fair than this. I just wanted to focus on bringing out the beauty out of it because I'm not very comfortable in being so fair. I rather feel better in tan skin. That's why I do use a lot of self-tanner when I have a chance. So this time I decided I'm gonna really try to focus on this fair skin beauty. I'm gonna use a lot of cool tone colors because if you are some way with makeup, you might know that cool tones complement fair skin and warm tones complement tan skin, warm skin, and so yeah, today we're gonna use cool tones on my face. When I use warm tones on my fair skin, even though I love warm tones in makeup like the oranges and reds, I just look sick. And those colors I use only when I'm with my tan, then I feel beautiful. And I really hope you're gonna enjoy this video or it's gonna be helpful. Anyways, let's start the tutorial.